English enthusiasts. Welcome back to Advanced English for Free. Today, we've got a game changer for you. Ever wondered how to turn your language skills into cold, hard cash? Well, you're in the right place. In this lightning-fast YouTube short, we're going to give you the lowdown on how you can rake in the moolah with your English skills. Let's dive right in. Method number 1. Freelance writing. Start selling your words. Content is king, and businesses are hungry for well-written articles, blogs, and copy. You write, they pay. Method number 2. Online tutoring. Share your language expertise on platforms like ViteKid or italki. Teach English to eager learners worldwide, right from the comfort of your home. Method number 3. Remote work. Many global companies hire English speakers for customer support, translation, and remote jobs. Your language skills could land you a steady paycheck from anywhere on the planet. Method number 4. Content creation. Dive into YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. Your unique perspective and English fluency can attract a massive audience, which translates to sponsorships and ad revenue. Method number 5. Language apps. Become a language coach on apps like Duolingo or Tandem. Help others learn English and earn some extra bucks while doing it. But wait, there's more. Method number 6. Translation services. Method number 7. Proofreading and editing. Method number 8. Voice acting. Method number 9. English speaking tour guide. Method number 10. Online surveys and market research. The opportunities are endless, and the demand for English is soaring higher than ever. So, gear up, harness your language prowess, and start earning with your English skills today. Thanks for tuning into this quick dose of wisdom. If you found these tips useful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic language insights. Until next time, keep learning and earning.